Hi, welcome Loose Garden. Today we are talking about how to build a retaining wall. This is the second retaining wall we're going to build. This retaining wall going to become a part of our patio. So let me show you how to build a retaining wall. It's very easy and very fun and fast to build. That's the tool we need for the retaining wall. We have this is a retaining wall blocks. This blocks is very heavy. You can see look. This block is a special design for the retaining wall. You can see they have a little extra pieces sticking out. This one action is make sure this retaining wall not leaned forward and failed to hold the wall. This part is make sure they get more secure for this wall. So this design. So we also need the glue. You want this retaining wall more secure and more stronger. We use this glue. Of course, you need a glue holder. Kind of easy for you provide the glue. Easy do it. So that's the easy things to do, and that's it. Just that simple. And retaining wall, you can see the build is a little. I show you how to build it. You see, this is the little extra pieces. We need to make sure the hold on the back. You can see the kind of little bit, that is a retaining wall turns backward, kind of better support the wall and the retaining wall. So that's the block, how to build it. You put the glue on the top, then you put the one pieces on the top, then you lock it in here. Make sure you lock it in, then more secure like that. Okay, let's do it. Thank you for your watching. I see you next time in Loose Garden, our next video. Because we have a big project. We need one by one get it done. This is the first one. So next video, I will show you how to get even the ground, how to build the patio. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.